Having almost every implant system in this office one time or another, because of the type of referral patterns that we have in the office from a number of different dentists and the ones that we've selected to place ourselves, we've come to acknowledge the fact that implant systems generate and new ones come on the market because they glean the best of what's been in the past, and they incorporate all of them into their current new technology. So as advancements occur in implant technology, it's basically gathering the best of the best and making a new implant out of compiling these things. And right now, as it is today, and it'll be 20 years from now, these implant companies will either transform and progress with the new technology, or they'll stay the way they have and always be the same. So for us, we like to get involved with the implant companies that stay up with the current technology and then biology science to understand the opportunity for best biologic and aesthetic results. Biodenta is truly a total solutions provider. They take you from an implant or a tooth all the way through the workflow system of scanning, transfer of data, designing, milling, coloring, to delivery. They have support systems and training that allows one to get into the technology at whatever pace you're comfortable with. You can start with just a scanner and get comfortable with that before you take the next leap into designing. But you can take and go from milling to designing to scanning back and forth immediately. It just depends how aggressive and how much you can handle on your plate at one time. So for us, we felt between their implant line, which was as good as any, if not better, because it's one of the newer implants. What have they done? They've taken the best of the best and combined them into one system. And so it's like, hey, today Biodenta's got the nicest implant. Now, the Biodenta needs to stay up with continuation of the technology and improvement in the technology, or 5 years from now, there's going to be another company that's taken everything all the other companies have and put it into their system. The leaders in the market, though, do that. They have constant R&D and are continuing to stay in the development stage to improve. And Biodenta has shown me that that's what they're willing to do, and that's what they are doing. Now, that's one piece of the equation, though. When I use any implant system and I want to scan it, I have to be careful because some scanners won't scan certain implants. Well, Biodenta has brought the whole concept into a full circle. They've thought about, okay, if you use a Biodenta implant, these are the scanners to use, these are the scan bodies to use, this is the protocol to use, this is how we train you to use it. And then they are able to then transfer all of that information to designers, who then can take that information and design and communicate with you about the design.